Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to adjust the color of an image in Photoshop. Let's get started. I apply manual. Okay, let's see. Step 1, dots tool, midness, shadow, highlight. I use midness. Okay, and step 2, click this icon, brightness and contrast, levels, curves. Use brightness and contrast. Lock this layer and brightness. Let's say. And step 3, levels. Lock this layer. See this result. And step 4, curves. Lock this layer. Step 5, lock this layer. Okay. See this. Hue saturation. Lock this layer. Change the color. Lightness. Okay. Black and white color balance. And change only one color. Selective color. Change only this color yellow. Okay. See this. Change only yellow color. And change the green color. See this result. Change only green color. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.